Deep within an ancient forest, where towering trees whispered secrets to one another, and sunlight filtered through emerald leaves in golden shards, there existed a spider's web unlike any other. The web was no ordinary trap for insects. It glistened with a strange, almost magical luminescence. At dawn and dusk, the villagers nearby called it the web of connection, a name whispered with reverence and awe. No one could say who had spun this wondrous web or how it came to be there. Some said it was the work of a magical spider born from the forest heart. Others believed it was a symbol left by the ancestors to remind the living of a truth too often forgotten, that everything in life is connected. Every morning, Eira, a young woman from the village, found herself drawn toward the web. She was often quiet, wrapped in thoughts and feelings of loneliness, caught between the desire to belong and the fear of being rejected. The world outside felt overwhelming, and she sometimes felt like a single, fragile thread trying to hold on to a vast and complicated tapestry. Yet, standing before the shimmering web, she felt a quiet hope stir inside her, as if the web itself was reaching out to her, whispering, "You are never truly alone." One misty dawn, as the forest was cloaked in soft fog and the air smelled of earth and rain, Eira approached the web once again. This time, her eyes caught something extraordinary, a single thread glowing brighter than the others, pulsing gently like the heartbeat of the forest. Tentatively, she extended her hand and touched the glowing thread. The moment her fingers brushed the silk, the forest seemed to be breathed in response. The thread vibrated softly, sending ripples through the entire web. The vibrations traveled along other threads, reaching the branches of trees, the leaves that danced in the breeze, and even a distant hummingbird paused silently nearby. It was as if the entire forest was alive, linked together by his fragile yet unbreakable web. Eira sat down at the base of the tree and began to trace the web's paths with her fingers. As she followed the intricate patterns, she felt herself journey into the web of stories, memories of laughter shared between friends, moments of kindness given without expecting anything in return, and silent prayers sent across vast distances. Each thread was a connection, a bond woven by countless hands and hearts. The realization dawned on her that this web was more than a spider's work. It was a living metaphor for human connection, fragile, intricate, and beautiful, yet resilient and powerful when nurtured. With a newfound sense of purpose, Eira decided to change her own story. She began reaching out to those she had once kept at a distance, a neighbor whose smile she had never returned, an old friend with whom time had drifted apart, and even strangers who seemed lost in their own worlds. Each kind word, each small gesture was a thread spun into her life's web, making it shine brighter than ever before. During the village's autumn festival, as the firelight flickered and the laughter filled the air, the village elder approached Eira and shared a story that echoed her own experience. Life's true strength doesn't lie in standing alone, but in the web of connections we weave with others. Like the spider's web, every thread counts, every bond matters. Years passed, and Eira became the heart of the village, known for her warmth and kindness. She reminded everyone that even when life feels tangled and fragile, the connections we nurture hold us steady and strong. They give us courage in storms, hope in darkness, and a sense of belonging that no distance or hardship can break. And so the wave of connection continued to shimmer in the forest, a quiet testament to the invisible threads that bind all living things, a mystery, a gift, and a reminder that we are never truly alone.